Going to the doctor's for a checkup.
Did you go to the doctor's to get a checkup?
Yes, I went this morning.
How did it go?
Everything was fine, but the doctor said I need to exercise more.
That's good to hear. Will you start exercising?
I'll try.
Going to the bookstore for a book.
Did you go to the bookstore to buy a book?
No, I didn't go to the bookstore today.
Why not? I thought you needed something to read.
I'll go tomorrow instead. I ran out of time.
That's fair. Let me know what you pick up.
Sure thing.
Going to the petrol station for fuel.
Did you go to the petrol station to get some petrol for the car?
Yes, I went there on my way home.
Was it busy?
Not too bad. I was in and out in 5 minutes.
That's good. At least you don't have to worry about running out now.
Exactly.
Going to the cash machine for cash.
Did you go to the cash machine to withdraw some cash?
No, I didn't go to the cash machine today.
Why not? Didn't you need money?
I decided to pay with my card instead.
That's easier sometimes.
It definitely saved me some time.
Going to London for work.
Did you go to London because you work there?
Yes, I went there yesterday for a big meeting.
How was the meeting?
It went well, but the travel was exhausting.
London can be tiring, but it's worth it for work.
True.
Going to the office to finish work.
Did you go to the office to finish off some work?
Yes, I went in late last night to meet a deadline.
That must have been tiring. Did you get everything done?
Just in time. It was a relief to finish.
Good for you. Now you can relax.
Finally.
Going to visit your grandmother.
Did you go to visit your grandmother?
No, I didn't go this week.
Why not? Was she busy?
No, but I've been swamped with work.
You should visit her soon. She'll appreciate it.
I will. Maybe this weekend.
Going to the bus stop to get the bus to work.
Did you go to the bus stop to get your bus to work?
Yes, I went there this morning as usual.
Was the bus on time?
It was, but it was packed.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It was, but I made it to work on time.
Going to Scotland to see the beautiful landscape and weather.
Did you go to Scotland to see the beautiful landscape and experience the sunny weather?
Yes, I went there last summer. It was amazing.
Did you enjoy the weather?
It was mostly sunny, but it rained a bit too.
That's Scotland for you.
True, but the scenery made up for it.
Going to the cash machine to get cash out.
Did you go to the cash machine to get some cash out?
No, I didn't go. I'll go tomorrow instead.
Did you forget, or was it too busy?
A bit of both. The queue was huge, so I left.
That makes sense. Hopefully it'll be quieter tomorrow.
I hope so.